Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you had a good day in the markets. Pretty choppy in the afternoon. Had a nice up movement, just as expected in the morning. I think we did put our high of the week in today. I'm about to show you why I'm thinking that. So, remember ES today, we wanted to at least get up to 43.83, which was this weekly fair value gap. You see, we got that pretty early this morning. We didn't get any kind of real resistance there. So, all we got was continuation through that this morning. We can kind of see that uh, this morning we hit 43.83 like in here, and then you just see like we had no pullback whatsoever. So we knew immediately from there that uh, the weekly was not going to be respected initially. We knew our next target was this uh, daily Civi sitting here at 4,400 or 43.99 to be exact. You can see we have rejected pretty much the CE of it. If you draw your fib, you kind of see we're close to the zero point 0.5. And then if you go to the 4 hour where we rejected and draw your fib and your FVG, let's just do this. This is the one we rejected. You can kind of see we rejected the exact CE of this 4 hour. So pretty bearish. Look right now to me, kind of looks like we might just have a sell curve in the future. Doesn't have to be, but just based on current price action and where we rejected today, you can now see like we have strong displacement down from a weekly, a daily, a 4 hour, and as well as there is an hourly right up in here, but nothing you need to be concerned about. So going into the overnight for ES, I want to see this hold. Uh, if this breaks, I don't know if this really holds. I think we come down and retest this hourly. Based on what I'm seeing on NQ, these two lows right here are equal lows on NQ, so I do think if we break this on ES, it will follow NQ down to this hourly. So this will be the ones that I'm watching going into tonight. However, we might get some kind of retracement overnight. So what I'm kind of thinking is on the hourly we have this BPR here, a balanced price range, a double FVG, whatever you want to call it. These are the strongest points of interest. They're called PD arrays, but basically a PD array for anyone that's not ICT is like in FEG can be a PD array. Like this candle here is a PD array just because it's a candle that like basically forms an FEG or shows like momentum. So this is the strongest one in the market because you have an inverse FEG here combined with a regular bearish FEG right here. So I'm kind of looking for price to come back up into this tonight. So I'm looking for this hourly to hold, get some kind of move up here, and then slice back down. They could save this for like PPI, like PPI we could wake up and then come back down. Like our initial move would be go up, fill this hourly FEG, and then come back down. We could get something like that. Another reason why I think we may get some kind of retracement back up is because if you take your fib and you draw it from here to the top of where the downtrend started today, you kind of see uh, on the hourly, it 4404 lines up perfectly with the beginning of that hourly BPR. So if we draw from here, you kind of see it lines up nice. So we could get a pump back up, not a pump, but a move back up into premium above the .5 fib and then back down. That's just my guess for PPI. I do think we get some kind of retracement, maybe before lower. If not, and we just wake up tomorrow, um, and we're below this and we have violated this tiny FVG, then we're looking for 4363 down here. So that's what I'm looking for on ES and Q. Pretty much the same story, except there is one more thing that I want to point out for NQ. I'll show you that in just a second. First things first, starting with the weekly, you see we're still not getting above this weekly fair value gap, as well as on the daily, we might close above here, so we might have a daily inverse here. However, look where we rejected today. This is a daily order block, and we rejected the bottom of it to the tick, which is a very bearish signal. So another reason that I'm going to be a little more bearish going into data tomorrow and Thursday, just based on pure price action and what the candles are showing me. So, I mean, we could very well, you know, inverse this, and then we could come back up tomorrow and come right back up through it. I just don't think so. Looking at NQ on the 4-hour, you see we're still in this bearish 4-hour here, uh, up to here. So we still will have this 4-hour that we are fighting against. However, it would not surprise me. Today we on the hourly, I was showing you guys like buy curves and whatnot, and we have like this nice little LR kind of here that lines up. And then we have this high right here, which is 436, and then I thought we would take 391 today, and you see we came very close, and we did not take it. I don't know why that line's there. The line should be up here at 391 at this high, but you see we came very short of it. That's because ES wicked into that 4-hour right here at the same time that NQ got close to a 391, so 391 never got swept because of ES hitting that 4-hour and rejecting, because obviously they're going to follow each other. So same thing on NQ into the evening. Watching this hourly BPR, would love for this to be retraced into. Would be a good spot, I think, to potentially look for shorts. Well, another thing to look at would be this hourly. It's like I said, just like ES. Same thing as ES. Expecting a bounce up and then back down. We don't have to. We just come below this. This is your area of interest going into tomorrow. These are hourly equal lows. They're going to be a very strong draw. There's going to be a lot of stop orders here. Plus, they are combined with this hourly fair value gap. So, at some point tomorrow or Thursday, I am expecting this to be tapped into. Probably tomorrow, but you don't want to see these equal lows here if you are a bull going into tomorrow. Some other areas of interest are these 5-minute equal highs up here at 375. So if we do get above this hourly BPR right here, you want to keep an eye on these equal highs right at 375, and then the lows at 167 are also going to be something to keep noted. And one more thing. What else did I want to show you guys? So, and then equal lows on ES and equal highs. So, ES has plenty of. It left some equal highs today, pretty much right at the top, 44.18, and then there were equal lows sitting right down here, which also makes me a little more bearish. Yeah, we have the equal highs. However, price action is showing more bearish right now, kind of confirming that maybe these are the draw, but these would line up perfectly with if these get swept. These will be a draw. Plus these hourlies will be a draw. These candles are these candles for ES. Everything gets swept together. They both tap into this hourly. You see these hourly equal lows here. These are hourly equal lows as well here on ES down to 43.66. So these get swept. These get swept. They both tap into this hourly, and then maybe we are then looking at maybe some kind of long position from there with confirmation. So a lot to go over today, but I hope I didn't miss anything. I had a list down, so just so I could try to cover everything. I don't think I forgot anything. Let me look. Nope, I think I got it all. So with that, hope you guys had a wonderful day, and we will talk to you tomorrow.